the horse have that on their face because the bugs and their eyes are very sensitive. So yes, we feeding the animals. We had a great time. It's a good thing for you guys to go to explore with the kids, Yep, so then we feeding the goat and she talking to me. She real nice. I know that's right. Make that money, baby. Don't let it make you. And yeah, so we went over here to the other goats. Oh, look at him. The goat for real. Oh, bam. Ooh. And then we got the black one. Yeah, my baby was so amazed. He was happy to feed them and see the animals. Yep, and it was a lot of them. They had a whole family, little gang out there. Okay? Then this one, she didn't want to be bothered. She left me. I was like, okay, child, that's all right. And then we went over here to the cows. Go moo. I'm a cow. Go moo. Y'all, I'm breastfeeding right now, so that's too funny. And yeah, and then this one just kept dropping the carrot. I'm like, at least she dropped it in there. And then, yeah. And it's the one that's white and black. It was just leaking milk and going moo. I'm like, we gotta go. But yes, y'all, a 10 out of 100. And look at my baby playing, y'all. Having fun with his cousin. Yep, and I'm breastfeeding because